or you can buy it. So you click on new. I'm creating a new folder. Immediately it opens, I save it. Click on this icon here, then we'll click on save. Now I'm saving it to that folder on my desktop, which is a root survey tutorial. And then I'm saving it as root tutorial 1. Save. Now let's open the point which we brought from the, which is 18. Okay, now I want to import the point. I click on the point, right click and click on create. Make sure your two space is on. You can on and off the toolbox or the two space here. As you can see, I'm off the toolbox. You can off all this. As you can see, I've off the two space has disappeared. You can bring it back by clicking on all this to return back. You can just click on this, it disappears. So now let's go back to importing of the points. We click on this icon, import points. Our points are in ENZ, easting, northings, and heights, which is this, which are in comma delimited. Not this is the comma delimited. And I click on the plus sign. I change this to all file. Then I click on root survey, which is our point, and click on open. Now this is our point, easting, northing, and height. Then I click on OK. Now let's close this dialog box. Then click on zoom extents, or you can type in Z enter E enter for the zoom extent. Now these are our points, which is what we have done. We have covered the importing of points. Now we are covering the create alignments. To do that, we click on, to create our alignments, we click on polyline. Take a very precautive measures on your OSNAP. Make sure your OSNAP settings is on, and your on is marked good. The not for under the OSNAP is marked good. Then click OK. Now select points one after the other. So after clicking on the last point, you click on enter. Now click on alignments, then select create alignment from object, which is this. Then we click on the polyline, and we right click. An arrow comes out to show us the direction, and it says press enter to accept the alignment direction or reverse. We are accepting. Then we click enter. We name it as Civil 3D Road. You can type in the alignment name. I name mine as Civil 3D Road. So I'm leaving the major and the minor label only. You can on all your labels, but I'm leaving the major and the minor labels only. Then we click OK. As you can see, we have created the alignments. Let's change this alignment to a good text format. Click on Annotate, click on Standard, then Manage Text Style. Change it to Time New Roman. Then click on Apply and then Close. Now this is okay. Now we have created the profile, the alignment. Next, we are creating the surface. To create the surface, you click on surface under the tool space, then you right click. Make sure that you're on the prospector. As you can see, this is on setting. Change it to prospector. You right click on surface, click on create surface. Now give your surface a name. I'm giving it 03D road. It's optional. And give it a name. Then leave the surface layer. Then you click on OK. Now go back to the surface under the tool space. Click on the plus sign. Right click on Civil 3D road. On the Civil 3D road, click on the plus sign, the Civil 3D road. Click on definition and click on the point group. Then right click on it and click on add points. Select the all points, apply, then OK. Now as you can see, we have created the surface. Next, we'll be creating the profile. We'll be creating the profile before the sample line, which is the fourth. Create the profile. Create profile. Before creating the sample line, creating the assembly, creating the section, and creating the report. So now we are creating the profile. To create the profile,